Here's just a review of how to set up a dihybrid cross. So if we have a dihybrid cross and we have two parents that are heterozygous for both traits, and we need to set up a dihybrid cross, here's how you do it. So you would have your full 16 box Punnett square. Now, what you do, or what you're looking for, is you have to remember this is the diploid parent right here. And so we want to see what their possible gametes can be. So because of Mendel's law of independent assortment and law of segregation, this R, this dominant allele, could very easily end up in the same gamete as the large T. So that's what we write here. That is possible. The same large R, though, could, because of independent assortment, could also end up with a little t. This little r could end up with a big T. That's possible in a gamete. And then the little r could also end up with a little t in a gamete. That's possible. Now let's go ahead and do the male. So here, this dominant R could very easily end up in a sperm with a big T. Or that same R can end up with a little t. Then the little r can end up with a big T, and a little r can end up with a little t. Now when you go to fill in your Punnett square, remember this represents an egg, and this represents a sperm. So all you have to think about, okay, is what happens if this sperm gets into this egg? Well, it'd have two big R's and two big T's. What would happen if it got into this egg? Well, it'd have two big R's, a big T and a little t. This egg, etc. And you would just fill in your Punnett square like that. Okay.